Tesla enthusiasts and industry watchers are buzzing with anticipation as the electric vehicle manufacturer gears up for a major announcement regarding the updated Model Y. This refresh has been a long time coming, especially since the Model Y launched 3 years after the Model 3, yet has not seen a substantial update since its debut. With Tesla committed to beginning deliveries in early 2025, speculation suggests that the announcement is imminent. In recent weeks, some European customers have noticed delivery timelines for the Model Y rear-wheel drive variant being pushed back to May 2025. This delay aligns with Tesla's previous practices when introducing refreshed models, as seen with the Model 3 Highland. Such adjustments in timelines often hint at production retooling to accommodate new designs, further fueling excitement for the Model Y refresh. The electric crossover, internally referred to as the Juniper update, is expected to borrow design cues from the Model 3 Highland. Early sightings of camouflaged prototypes in the United States and China suggest that the refreshed Model Y may feature Cybertruck-inspired headlights and an entirely new lighting signature at the rear. These changes could bring a more dynamic look, addressing criticisms that the current design has become outdated. Given the delay, customers are understandably hoping for significant upgrades beyond aesthetic tweaks. Tesla has faced a challenging 2024, with sales for the Model Y falling short of expectations and production of the updated Model 3 ramping up more slowly than planned. The company's ambitious delivery targets have put it under pressure to maintain flat numbers compared to 2023. Tesla aims to deliver over 515,000 units in the fourth quarter to avoid its first ever annual decline in sales. To incentivize buyers, the company deployed an aggressive pricing strategy and promotional offers, which, unfortunately, have led to concerns over quality control. During Tesla's third quarter earnings call in October, executives confirmed that new vehicle models would launch in early 2025. While some interpreted this as a reference to Tesla's long-rumored affordable electric vehicle, industry insiders believe it is more likely tied to the Model Y Juniper refresh. Trial production is already underway in China, with small batches of the updated Model Y being manufactured daily. This positions the refreshed Model Y as Tesla's most imminent release, even as rumors persist about a smaller, compact electric vehicle. Interestingly, reports from Germany suggest a major Tesla announcement in January, potentially tied to production at Giga Berlin. While some hope this could finally be about the affordable electric vehicle Elon Musk mentioned in 2023, the focus is likely to remain on the updated Model Y. Tesla has indicated that Giga Berlin will eventually produce a smaller electric vehicle, leveraging shared platforms with the Model 3 and Model Y, but there has been little clarity on when that might happen. In the short term, Tesla's refreshed Model Y will play a critical role in boosting the company's global appeal. The crossover's revamped design and enhanced features could help Tesla regain its footing in key markets such as Europe and China. With autonomous vehicle technology still a distant prospect in these regions, the refreshed Model Y represents Tesla's best chance to meet growing competition and maintain its leadership in the electric vehicle space.